Today I'm going to show you how to start developing or programming in Python. Python's a very interesting programming language, and it's a very fun one. It's probably the one that got me into programming, and the one that I learned. My second programming language I learned was Python. So yeah, let's go and get started. So I'm in here in Google, and I'm going to go ahead and go to Python, download. So type in Python download, and you're going to make sure it says www.python.org. And then I'm just going to click download Pythons, and you're going to download Python, the latest version for Windows. I think they have some other ones with a different OS for Linux, Unix, Mac OS, and then some other ones. So I'm going to download this. I already have it downloaded, but go and download it, and then go through the how to download it. It's not that hard. It's not that complicated. So yeah. So once you have Python installed, you're going to go and click right here, and you're going to type in idle, and Python idle should pop up. You're going to click open. I already have it open, and then this should pop up. Python shell. I'm using version 3.74, which I still need to download the latest ones. So if everything's not the same for you, try looking it up on Google. So the first thing I'm going to go and do is I'm going to go to a new file. I'm going to X out the module. That's what it's going to be called. And I'm going to go to File, Save As. And then you should come up to this folder, and then just name it whatever you're going to name it. I'm just going to name it YouTube tutorial, just for the sake. You can name it whatever you want to, like test, just anything that you're gonna, that's just basic. You don't have to put like a whole bunch of characters in there. Just a basic thing. You're gonna go and save it. So as you can see, it's now updated to YouTube tutorial.py. That's short for Python. And we can go and start writing code. So, like all programming languages that you learn, the first thing you learn is how to print hello world. So, printing out in Python is as easy as just typing out print, parentheses, go in those parentheses, and then do quotation marks. And whenever you have quotation marks in Python, it 99% of the time means that you're writing a string value, which we'll get that in tomorrow, the next video. So I'm just going to write out a message, hello world. And then you can go and run module or F5, and it's going to pop up, source must be saved. Click OK to save. It's just going to save it, and boom, it just prints out hello world. Of course, we can make it print out other things, like we can make it print out hello YouTube. Run it. Once we run it, click save. It should pop up hello world and hello YouTube. So that's just a basic print statement. It's probably going to be found in Python a lot more than you think. So this is what I mean. So let's say I'm printing out something that doesn't have quotation marks. So let's say hello, no quotation marks. And when I run the module, it's going to pop up with an error. Now, in this case, it's going to pop up invalid syntax because I put in okay, I'm just print hello. And run the module, it says name hello is not defined. The reason why is because usually when there's no quotation marks, it's most likely a variable, which is something we'll get into in the next video. So you can basically print out lots of things. You can print out complete sentences, paragraphs. You can even like print out song lyrics. You can print out anything in Python. Now one thing is if we print out one, it's gonna print out one. But another thing I want to do is print things with math. Now we're gonna get into Python math later, but here's just a little simple thing we're gonna do. So we're gonna do print 1 plus 1. We can go and run the module, and it's gonna print out 2. So that's some basic math. You can do, let's say, 10 times 1. It's going to print out 10. Another thing you can do is you can go to this shell, which is what we call it in Python. And you can actually start printing out things in here as well. I can print out 12, whatever, and it'll print it out. And we can also print out statements in here, or math statements. Minus 12, negative 2. So you won't need that much of experience of math in Python. You will just need like basic division, multiplication, subtraction, addition. So when you're watching this video, you just need the basics of that. Of course, once we get into like calculators and stuff, you are going to need to know how to do square roots and exponents, which is some stuff you have to do in math. So you don't need that much math to work in Python, but you need at least some skill in it. You can't just be a 4-year-old and come here and, you know. So let's start. Let's end off the video with bye. So your homework for today is try to print out 5 different print statements. It can be whatever you want, and then print out 2 math problems and put them in the comments down below, the code that you used, and that should be pretty interesting to see what you have made up. So yeah, like I said, bye YouTube. See you guys later. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below some of the code and what do you want to see in the series. See you guys later. Goodbye.